Hi, today I'm gonna show you how to edit drop-down menus in vTiger 7. The drop-down menus currently seen across records and modules in vTiger, such as industry drop-down in the organization module, can be configured using vTiger Picklist Editor. The Picklist Editor allows you to add, rename, or picklist values in existing picklist or create a whole new set of picklist. A user visibility of a drop-down menu item, also called a picklist value, can be vary based on his or her defined roles, and as result is important determine to which roles you want the picklist item to be visible to when creating them. To customize these drop-down or picklist values in vTiger 7, go to the upper left corner of the screen and click on the menu button. Then go to the CRM settings and click on the configuration drop-down menu and select picklist field values. To customize the picklist, select the desired module in which the picklist resides from the select module drop-down menu, and then select the picklist you would like to change from the select picklist drop-down menu. You can see the list of picklist menu items or values. Here you can rearrange the order in which these picklist values appear by dragging and dropping them. To add new values to the picklist, click on the Add Value button. This will load a pop-up that prompts you to enter new drop-down value and select the roles for this new value. Should display by selecting them from the Assigned to role. You can select as many roles as you want the picklist to be visible to, but no selecting any roles makes them admin only. Finally, to save new changes, click Save. To rename picklist value, click on the Edit button to the right. The pop-up that appears will display the existing list value in items. To rename drop-down menu, select the picklist value you intend to change and edit in the text box below. Once you're done with the changes, be sure to click on the Save button. Note: while editing the value, it cannot be replaced with an empty value. To delete existing picklist value, click on the Delete Value button. You will be prompted to select an existing picklist value to replace the old value with, and once completed, the selected value will display in records where the deleted value was previously selected. To see what picklist values are visible to each roles that you have configured, you can select the desired module and picklist from the two upper picklist and can click on the Value Assigned to Role tab. To see and modify which values have been assigned to each role, if you make any changes here, don't forget to click Save. To create new custom picklist field, you must create a new custom field from the field editor. This can be done using the following step. Go to the CRM settings and then click on Module Management drop-down menu and select Modules. From here, click on the Settings button on the far right side of the module that you would like to add a picklist. In the Module Settings area, click the Edit Field menu item. Once in the Edit Field area, add a custom field. In the Custom Field Creation wizard, select the type picklist. Once selected, provide a picklist name and enter the desired values, one per line in the picklist values. Once a field is set up, you can edit the field and its associated drop-down values from each module's setting drop-down menu visible in the list view. Thanks for watching the video.